Hola! Your dream vacation to Dubai starts from rupees 29,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Tina, let's just go for a drive. I love Mumbai more than Calcutta now, if you ask me. Yeah, I think this has become my home because my own house is here. Oh my god, it was so emotional. The first expensive buy that I did was buying my own car, and that was like a huge investment. That age, that number, that taboo is still there ki, oh, my daughter has hit 30, so you know, abhi there will be complications for her to get married, अच्छा लड़का नहीं मिलेगा, या तो फिर बच्चे होने में, you know, there will be complications. I think my bari papa is totally gotten into it, and my bari papa is like, अच्छा अभी तुम्हारी शादी करना पड़ेगा. Now he's actually registered to some marriage bureaus and all of that, and he would follow up every day. I am very open about this concept called egg freezing, and one of my best friend, she only told me that, you know, why don't you just get this thing done. My parents had given up and they are like, you're not getting married, okay fine, तू surrogacy करके एक बच्चा ले ले, it's okay, we are happy, we are more than happy. Now everything has changed. मतलब Film City looks so different, but I don't know, Film City will always be very close to my heart. That is a show which I'm not very happy about because not the entire real side of me has not been projected, you know. That's what breaks my heart. That is a show where, you know, if girls are very vocal, you take any actor kare, Rubina, Hina Khan, who has been very vocal about things, opinionated, has an opinion about things. In सबकी बात लगी है यार show के अंदर. They go like, but please don't mention the daily soaps you have done, and don't say that you have done daily soaps at all. I was like, okay, because abhi bhi wo taboo hai कि if you're overexposed and if you have done a lot of daily soaps, people still doesn't want to cast you. Hi Rashita.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Thank you
good
so
to
much
see
for
you.
doing this.
Thank you for having me. Thank you so
My
much.
pleasure. Welcome to Drive Through, Tina. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you.
And you know, Tina, tell me about Bombay. How did you fall in love with this? We are currently in the beautiful city of Mumbai, and I love it personally.
Right.
But when you first came here, what was that moment you realized, okay, now I'm in love with this city?
You know, when I first came here, I came for this shoot called Parinita. I was young Vidya Balan's character.
Correct.
So that time, tabhi to matlab first time, I came in a first class two-tier train. So that was my first time experience in a two-tier AC first class. So I was like very excited, oh my god. And then we were put up in town side and I saw entire Mumbai. तो तभी ना something एक spark रहता है ना, तो it was like हाँ मुझे इसमें इस शहर में आना है वाला zone. And then I was a die-hard fan of this show called क्योंकि सास भी कई बहू थी. And the way Smriti man would act, and मैंने ये zillion number of times बोला है, and I would be like हाय मेरे को ना ऐसा बनना है, ऐसा कुछ करना है. And subconsciously I think I've manifested it, I've attracted it, I've sent it out to the universe, and it just happened. And then first time when I came for Uttaran, कोई आने को है. So that was the first time I sat in a flight, and that was Air India. I still remember, और AC के vent से ऐसे हवा निकल रहा था. So the kid in me was like, oh my god, what is this happening? I was just 18 that time. So yeah, it was fun. I mean, that's how it just happened, and I fell in love with this city, and I think there's no looking back. I think I love Mumbai more than Calcutta now, if you ask me. Yeah, I think this has become my home because my own house is here. वहाँ पे क्या पापा का घर है and all of that. Though I have got my own house over there as well, but still यहाँ पे ना वो अपनापन लगती है. मतलब दुनिया जहाँ मैं घूम लूँ, and then when I come back home, no, it's like my bed, my room, my TV wala zone. So yeah, it's a different feeling altogether.
You know, now you feel that this is your city, this is your home. Of course, you've worked so hard, gotten your own house here.
Correct.
But when you first moved here, were there moments of loneliness कि family से इतना दूर आ गए?
Yeah, there were. I wouldn't lie, but definitely there were. But I think I was always a go-getter since I was a child. तो इतना ज़्यादा मैं ना वो इमोशनली इन्वेस्टेड नहीं होती थी कि हाय घर वालों के बिना आई कांट डू इट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो दैट्स वाई, you know, when people go to a different show, like for example, even if it's a खतरों के खिलाड़ी and all of that, and फिर एक महीने रहते तो ऐसा होता है कि हाय एक महीने से हम बाहर हैं. तो मेरा ऐसा वो सिचुएशन कभी नहीं था. बट या आई वुड डेफिनेटली मिस माई पेट्स बिकॉज आई हैड अ डैश हाउंड दैट टाइम. छोटू नाम था उसका बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी टाइनी, छोटू मोटू. I would miss him. I would miss my grandparents because I had all 4 of my grandparents were alive, so I would miss them all the more. and luckily mom was with me, she was living with me, so I wouldn't miss घर का खाना उतना, but yeah, I would miss dad and my brother.
Okay, but you know when you first got here and you settled everything, पहले तो शुरू में आप ऑटोज और कैब से ही, मतलब कैब भी तब इतनी नहीं होती थी, टैक्सीज
Absolutely.
काली पीली होती थी,
Yeah.
ट्रैवल करते थे, वहां से लेके जब आपने अपनी फर्स्ट कार ली उस तक का सफर कैसा रहा?
Oh my god, it was so emotional. The first expensive buy that I did was buying my own car, and that was like a huge investment. मतलब वो छोटा मारुति सुजुकी का रिट्स था, लेकिन उसमें जो अलग से खुशी थी ना, वो I don't think so I can explain it to anyone. I think the only people who buys their own first
Yeah.
car or invest in their own first thing would understand my point of view. But yeah, it was a different feeling altogether, and you know, I had it for more than 11-12 years.
Wow.
Until very recently I had to sell it off, and अगर मेरे पास उतना जगह होता, उतना provision होता, I think I would have never sold off my car. It was an emotion for me
Yeah.
after a point. And believe me, you, that car never gave me trouble, you know, never for once on road. Like I had taken it to Pune, Lonavala, everywhere,
Wow.
but it never broke down in the middle of the night or in the roads or on the highways or anything. So yeah.
Amazing. Do you like driving? But
I love to drive. I can only drive automatic cars, not
Yeah.
manual for sure. But the problem is this traffic just
I
drives
know.
me nuts, and I am like hot-headed.
हाँ.
So फिर मुझे ना ये, you know, the only thing that I don't like about Mumbai is at least that I think the traffic is still better in other cities,
Yeah.
but over here the problem is सीधा left, अगर right जाना है ना, left से they will take a sharp cut.
Yeah.
So that sucks. I'm like, people don't have traffic sense in
I
this
know.
city, man, and it's just getting worse over here.
Yeah, but do you like late night drives, or do you ever go on like romantic drives? if
Yeah,
you ever
I
went?
would love that. I genuinely
Yeah.
love it. I mean, yeah. Now that you're saying, I think something in me is saying, Tina, let's just go for a drive.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, it's fun. I mean, late night drives are really fun because you know, ek to there is no traffic,
Yeah.
and then you just pop by Haji Ali mein. You can have those fresh juices. Then there was this one more place in Haji Ali side के वहाँ पे I keep forgetting the name. वहाँ पे you get those amazing gelatos and ice creams and
अच्छा.
all of that.
और
It's so
रुस्तम जी?
nice.
K Rustam or
Um,
something.
No, I
Maybe.
can't recall the name.
हाँ.
I'm so bad at it. और या तो फिर करीम्स का
हाँ.
पाव. Oh,
Love
I think we
Kareem's.
should do this.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah.
go.
Let's go to
Let's
Kareem's,
go.
have food.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, man, just roaming in Bombay and especially monsoon में जब
Yeah.
बारिश हो रही होती है और आप drive पे निकलो,
I
that
think when
is
it
different.
rains, no, I
Yeah.
to call it the season of romance. I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
say it's
yeah.
rainy season.
It is.
I just something in me ना कुछ हो जाता है, ऐसे romantic सा feel होता है, अपने आप ही कुछ अंदर से romance हो जाता है. So yeah, I do love it. And बारिश में long drive is like different. It hits
Yeah.
you different altogether.
Are you romantic as a person?
I'm very romantic. I am very romantic. मतलब you tell me to do like creative stuff, romantic
हाँ.
stuff. I think I'm the best at it. My friends would be like, अरे हमारा anniversary आ रहा है, अरे मेरे पति का या मेरे boyfriend का birthday आ रहा है, Tina suggest us something, and
Yeah.
I will just come up with some nice, beautiful, romantic ideas, you know.
Love.
So yeah.
But Tina, do you still face questions like कि आप शादी कब करोगे या आपकी शादी कब घर वालों के थ्रू से?
Tell me about it. Every day. I mean, my dad, I think he's so given up only on me. He's literally given up. He's like, इस लड़की का कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. Because अभी भी, you know, working class family में that age, that
हाँ,
number,
होता
that
है वो.
taboo is still there कि oh, my daughter has hit 30, so you know, अभी there will be complications for her to get married. अच्छा लड़का नहीं मिलेगा, या तो फिर बच्चे होने में, you know, there will be complications because our lifestyle is also so screwed up. We don't
Yeah.
sleep on time. We don't have our meals on time. So yeah, now I think my bari papa is totally gotten into it, and my bari papa is like, अच्छा अभी तुम्हारी शादी करना पड़ेगा. Now he's actually registered to some marriage bureaus and all
Wow.
of that, and he would follow up every day. He will make like 5-10 phone calls, and I have been always scared of my bari papa, like always बचपन से. And he's a marine engineer, तो मतलब शक्ल देख के ऐसा था कि फट लेती है भाई, ये तो मतलब उनके रूम में जाने से भी डर लगता है. So now तो I have to be a good obedient girl and
Girl.
say, yeah बड़े पापा, this guy okay, you can get in touch वाला zone.
So you are open to the idea of arranged marriage. ऐसा नहीं है कि love
किस्मत
ही
में
करनी
love
है.
हो नहीं रहा है. So it's come to a point where it's like you don't really have a choice. So yeah, अगर कोई love करने वाला मिल जाता तो definitely it would have been love marriage. I mean, arranged marriage is kind of scary, you know.
Yeah.
For me, it's really scary. I don't know.
It is.
But my brother, you know, he's such a मतलब मेरा guy है मेरा भाई तो, you know, he's just the opposite. He's such a nice boy.
हाँ.
He's never learned to lie also. He will never do galat to anyone.
हाँ.
You know, he's that kind of he's sadhu, to be honest.
Wow.
And then of course arranged marriage, of course you don't get to know who the
Yeah.
person is gonna be. So yeah, things went south and he had a very rocky marriage. So
Oh,
yeah,
no.
I'm very scared
Yeah.
of arranged marriage. Yeah.
No, that is
I mean,
fair.
love marriage also, you
In
know, you
general,
don't get
marriage
to.
these
Yeah,
days,
it is scary.
Like I see like I know you and I know how kind you are, and when you are in love, I do know for a matter of fact that you are very giving, and you just said you
Yeah.
are romantic. So am I. And when people like us don't get love, I'm like, who is
Yeah,
then?
exactly. You know, I see some of them who are not treating the guy right, but
Yeah,
लड़के ऐसे पागल होते.
exactly.
I think is this what it should be? Is this the new definition of love? Because I am someone who is like, you know, I'm a typical pativrata patni. You know, when it comes to love, I'll be like, even if I'm working, I'll be like, सुबह 7 बजे 6 बजे उठ के मैं अपने पति का lunch box pack करके, भले you know there's a cook or everything, but I need to pack it with my own hands, pack करके सब कुछ set करके टिफिन विफिन डाल के दूंगी वाला लड़की. But मेरी किस्मत में love नहीं आ रहा है. I hope whoever is watching
Yeah.
this might get in touch with you.
Of course. Guys, what are you all doing? अभी उन्होंने बोला she will give you prince treatment, literally सुबह tiffin and all set
Yeah,
करके.
for her as well. I mean, we both are sitting on the
comes
same
and
boat.
rishtas to both
Exactly.
of us. Come on.
True
But
that.
no, you know, you just mentioned a point of having kids. Like I come from a very very liberal family. Okay, I have an
Right.
elder sister. She is also not married yet. And हमारे घर में ना शादी को लेके नहीं बोलते, but वो बच्चे के point पे आ जाते हैं कि
yeah.
बेटा medically and you know actually
Correct,
practically also that
correct.
will be late. And then I recently introduced my mom to the concept of egg freezing कि आप वो
Correct,
करा सकते हो. You can adopt. There are so many options. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि just because मुझे बच्चा करने में किसी गलत आदमी के साथ
Correct,
शादी करके फंस
correct,
जाओ.
correct.
So you know, recently when I did the same thing with Sonakshi, she told the similar thing that egg freezing है, कितने options है.
Correct.
हमारे ऊपर इतना pressure मत डालो आप. So
Absolutely.
what do you feel about these concepts?
Oh no, even I am very open about this concept called egg freezing. And one of my best friend, she only told me that, you know, why don't you just get this thing done?
Yeah.
And I too feel that, you know, when a girl is in her 20s, she should just freeze her
Yeah.
eggs. उसमें कुछ नहीं जाता यार. You're just freezing your eggs. I mean, there is, and that time your eggs are so fertile and you get the right amount, the right quantity of eggs also. So I think that's the best time to just freeze your eggs. And before 35, I think anybody, all girls out there should just freeze their eggs because वो stress नहीं रहता है. And straight. And you know, the other day my mom was like, my parents had given up and they are like, you're not getting married. Okay, fine. तू surrogacy करके एक बच्चा ले ले. It's okay. We are happy. We are more than happy. I'm like, yeah, no problem. All the best.
But no, you do want to like get married, have kids. All of those
Yeah.
ambitions are of course
True that.
सबके साथ सामने वो रहता है. But yeah, nonetheless, people who are single mothers, hats off to them also.
Yeah. It comes
They are
with so
doing
much
it
of
brilliantly.
responsibilities, man. It's
Yeah.
not easy. Salute to them.
Of course. But Tina, tell me something. You know, people who look at you today might feel, you know, she has made it and she is living her life. But I know for a matter of fact, I've watched your interviews and I know the internal struggle that you have gone through to be today where you are.
Right.
And you know, I used to watch इच्छा एंड each time she used to cry या उस पे वो बहुत भोली सी लड़की थी. उसके साथ कुछ बुरा होता था ना, I used to cry. And I remember in an interview you said that I want to be that actor कि अगर मैं रो रही हूँ लोग मेरे साथ रोए. And that character did that for you.
Yeah.
Despite that, there were many hardships post that serial. How did you come out of that and you know not give up, because you have been relevant for so many 27 years, I think 27 years you've been working for.
Yeah.
And to stay that long in the kind of industry that we are in, it's a huge thing.
So yeah, sometimes it is heartbreaking. Sometimes it is a lot of struggle. Sometimes it comes with a lot of patience. And sometimes there have been times, I wouldn't lie, when you just want to give up on everything. as in you would be like, okay, let me just switch my career, you know, but then you have to remind yourself that this is what I'm passionate about, this is what I love. And you know, and this is one medium where I can inspire a lot of people, inspire in the sense, and you know, a lot of young girls look up to me, like how I would look up to Smriti ma'am and say that, you know, एक दिन मुझे उनके जैसा बनना है. तो ऐसे इतने सारे लड़कियां हैं who would meet me and say कि you know, टीना मुझे आपके जैसा बनना है. So that really feels great. And then you are like, you know, I am in this entertainment industry to entertain those people out there, so I cannot really give up, you know. There will be ups and downs in my life, and I also believe one thing, that life is a circle, you know. आज अच्छे टाइम है तो बुरे टाइम तो आना ही आना है. और मेरी माँ एक चीज़ बोलती है कि अगर तुम्हारा बुरा टाइम नहीं आएगा तो तुम वो अच्छाई को एहसास कैसे लोगे, you know. How will you taste that success, you know, that happiness? You wouldn't feel it then if all the time you're just happy. Then you'll be like, अरे यार कुछ नया नहीं है मेरी ज़िंदगी में, you know. So yeah, it is a lot of struggle, you know. After giving a hit show like Uttaran, it was difficult to get a new show because the character was that imprint. It was a strong character and it left an imprint in everyone's heart. The character was etched in everyone's heart. Till today, people would recognize me at Ichha. You know, I've done so many multiple other characters as well after that. But people still say कि अरे वो उत्तरन में आप थी ना, वो उत्तरन वाली इच्छा. So yeah, I think वो एक आधा ही ऐसा शो होता है डेली सोप, एंड आजकल के ज़माने में तो होता भी नहीं है, यू नो. वो ऐसा शोज़ तो मिलता ही नहीं आजकल. तो कब शोज़ आते, कब शोज़ चले जाते, पता भी नहीं चलता है. सो या, आई थिंक आई वाज रियली लकी. And yeah, the only thing I feel is never give up. I mean, you just have to be at it, you know. And my dad says one thing कि जिसके किस्मत में जितना लिखा है ना, उतना आपको तो ज़रूर मिलने वाला है. सो नेवर बी जेलस ऑफ एनीवन सक्सेस कि हाय उसको मिल रहा है मुझे क्यों नहीं. इसके लिए मेरे कभी भी कोई भी दोस्त अगर उसको शो मिलता है ना, आई एम लाइक वाओ दैट्स नाइस यार, आई मीन ऑल द बेस्ट, जस्ट डू जस्टिस टू द कैरेक्टर, गिव इन योर 100%. आई नेवर फील कि हाय उसको मिल रहा है मुझे क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है, यू नो. Because I feel जो जितना मेरे यहाँ पे लिखा है ना, वही होने वाला है. True that.
That is so true. No, that is a very good logic.
So you know, I'm not joking. So recently, I think 2 months back, I had auditioned for the show that comes in colors. I'm not gonna take the name. I went for the audition and my mom is like, so I was like, I told my mom, I said, Mama, ये character ना मेरे लिए नहीं है. So my mom is like, नहीं क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. It was negative. It was a grey character, but it was a fun character. So my mom is like, नहीं कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है टीना, you should just experiment, you should just do. But something in me said that, you know, I don't think I will do justice to that character. And somebody else is doing that character now, and I really like her personally. And of course, we are of the same age group. We started off same in this industry. We both are of the same league. And I personally texted her saying, you know what? You have done justice to that character, and I don't see anybody else doing justice to that character because you just fit the bill. मतलब वो perfect है. तो अगर ऐसा है जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा एक्टर लगता है कि नहीं, मैं अपने आप को विजन ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ उस कैरेक्टर के लिए, उस किरदार के लिए, तो मैं क्यों बोलूँ कि you know I fit the character or I fit the bill और मुझे ही मिलना चाहिए था.
Correct. When you knew, you trusted in your talent, and a lot of people did, and that's why you kept getting work. But when that didn't convert so much into films, did that ever hurt you?
Yes, of course, I'm a human being. End of the day, it does hurt me. Today also, you know, I go for a lot of script reading for web series and all of that. A lot of things doesn't really materialize. A lot of movies also never materialize. I got a lot of offers from South movies also, but that did not materialize because of whatever terms and conditions or whatever. So it is heartbreaking, yaar. I'm not gonna lie कि हाँ ठीक है यार, नहीं मिला तो नहीं मिला वाला zone नहीं होता है बॉस ऐसा. मतलब end of the day हम सब इंसान है. Now today if you approach, for example, if you approach Deepika Padukone, just hypothetically I'm saying, or Priyanka Chopra, and if she says no, and you know that, you know, you were just about to crack the deal, and it's gonna break your heart, and एक time तो ऐसा लगेगा कि हाय यार नहीं हुआ. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, but definitely ऐसा तो होता ही है कि अच्छा यार, मतलब there are a lot of times when I personally thought that okay, I can do justice to this character and I fit the bill और मैं you know बहुत अच्छे से ये character निभा पाऊंगी and this and that, but नहीं हो पाता है, तो ऐसा लगता है कि अरे यार नहीं हुआ.
Were you ever told to your face कि it is because आप थोड़े over exposed हो या TV से हो या लोगों ने आपको इस character में देखा है?
Oh my God. you know, recently, so I had to send an introduction video for a web series, okay, and it's for a very prime network, okay. I'm not gonna name the network or whatever, but so I was like, okay, I was very naive over here, and I was like, I'm sorry, but I don't know what is an introduction video.
Okay.
So they go like, you know, you will have to just talk about yourself, and you know, this is my right profile, left profile, your age, and whatever you have done in this industry. And then cut to they go like, but please don't mention the daily soaps you have done, and don't say that you have done daily soaps at all. I was like, okay, because abhi bhi wo taboo hai कि if you're overexposed and if you have done a lot of daily soaps, people still doesn't want to cast you. But then, you know, आज अगर हमने एक्टिंग ब्रश अप किया भी है, नॉट एवरीवन हैज कम फ्रॉम एन एक्टिंग स्कूल और व्हाटएवर और लर्नड एक्टिंग, अगर हमने ब्रश अप किया है तो डेली सोप से किया है ना. अगर आज हम 4 पेजेस के डायलॉग इन वन फ्लो वन गो में बोल सकते हैं, इट्स बिकॉज वी हैव डन डेली सोप्स एंड वी हैव बिकम सो इम्यून टू दैट एनवायरनमेंट. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई कैन नेवर लुक डाउन ऑन डेली सोप्स बिकॉज आई हैव लर्न सो मच फ्रॉम इट. यू नो, 12 घंटा 24 घंटा नॉन स्टॉप काम करना, एक दिन में 10 चेंजेस 15 चेंजेस तक मैंने किया है. So you know, you become so quick and so pro at it.
And you know, I am just shocked that, you know, you were asked to do that. Even if you don't mention it, the world knows. The world knows what all you have achieved.
People still prefer कि अच्छा नहीं बोलो. So many times I got rejected because of this कि नहीं मैम आप बहुत daily soap कर चुके हो, you are overexposed. You have to take a break for 2 years, 3 years, and you know, just wipe off your image. मतलब left. So by wiping off your image, there have been times when so many of them have to say no to so many projects, and then they get wiped off. You know what I mean?
Today here we are. Give me a little, you know, backstory to this house. This was your first house in Bombay.
This was my first house in Bombay, and my dad was totally against me buying this house. This was the very first 1.5 year down to Uttaran, and then I decided on buying this house, and this is a very lucky property. Now I put it on rent, and जो भी इस घर में रहते हैं ना, people just want to buy this property of me, and they are like, it is so lucky that we just want to have it, you know, please sell it to us and all of that. But something in me just says that, you know, this is my first property, I don't want to sell it off or anything. But yeah, this has been a lucky house, and my dad was so anti-it. He was like, उतना ही पैर फैलाओ जितना लंबा तुम्हारा चद्दर है, and this and that in Bengali of course he said. And he's like, are you mad, so much money you will be investing, कहाँ से देगी, कल जाके तेरा शो बंद हो जाएगा. We are from working class mentality, working class family, you don't realize what you're doing. Of course, I mean, they have had a different upbringing, they will be scared and protective कि कल जाके EMI नहीं भर पाए, then what. But then I was like, Dad, just trust me. And then I had to convince him, and then I bought this house. इसका इंटीरियर बहुत सुंदर था. अभी तो थोड़ा बहुत.
Let's go and just see थोड़ा सा बाहर से. So today when you look back, how much of a sense of a pride do you feel, because this you bought at a very young age, and there could have been self-doubts, but you went ahead and did it.
True that. So I bought this property when I was in my 20s. I was 21. Yeah, 21 and a half. That's when I bought my first house in Bombay, that too. So yeah, it was definitely a very proud moment for me. And when I look back and I see, you know, and I'm like, okay, Tina, you have done great, you have done wonders for yourself, and this has always been a very lucky property for me. Now it's become so shady, पता नहीं ये टूट रहा है, and it just breaks my heart to see this property this way. And why I bought this property, it's an RA. This was one of the bestest properties in RA that time, those days. Abhi bhi, this is one of the best properties in RA Mill Colony. And my set was right here, Film City. तो इधर अंदर से ना Reliance का एक दरवाज़ा हुआ करता था, which they have shut now after Reliance took over. So it was literally like 5-7 minutes from here.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, it used to be like saving a lot of time of mine. So that's how I decided on buying this. Initially, I used to be on rent, and then I thought of buying it. Yeah.
How was the renting phase before buying this apartment? Also, did you buy, because I live on rent currently, and oh my God, if you are a girl, a single girl, especially from the media fraternity, and you want a place, rented apartment in Bombay, it's a nightmare. They ask you so many questions, and it's sometimes so irritated that I think my only reason to buy a house will be that because I don't want to rent it
Yeah,
beyond rent
yeah, yeah.
anymore. Did you face those troubles?
I did absolutely. You know, so I'm a dog lover.
Yeah.
Like I since I was a kid, since I was born, I always had like dogs around me. मतलब बचपन से पैदा ही हुई थी with dogs around me. So I had a Labrador that time. It was her name was Rani. I lost Rani couple of years back. And जो owner थी, she used to hate dogs, and she used to hate any kind of pets. सो बिलीव मी यू, मतलब वो ऐसे आती थी ना तो मुझे रानी को छुपा के रखना पड़ता था. एंड शी विल बी लाइक एक भी निशान कहीं
My
पे ना
God.
नहीं होना चाहिए. वेर इन वी यूज टू ट्रीट द हाउस एज आर ओन हाउस, यू नो.
Thank you. We'll go back to the car and
Sure.
continue. You tell me, there was this really nice phase which I feel a lot of people came to know about the real Tina Datta was when you went inside Big Boss.
Yeah, I mean that is a show which I'm not very happy about, because not the entire real side of me has not been projected. You know, that's what breaks my heart.
Yeah.
Ki you just show what you want to show, you know, and it's a finely highly edited show. And I've always believed in that, because if you see the calculation also, you know, 60 minutes ka episode hota hai.
Correct.
And if there are like 12 contestants also, everybody is just getting 5 minutes of screen space. So
Yeah.
उस 5 minutes पे आपके हाथ में होता है कि आपको अच्छा दिखाना है, बुरा दिखाना है, नेगेटिव दिखाना है, ग्रे दिखाना है,
True.
however you want to portray, you know.
Yeah.
You just get to hear one particular sentence, but you don't know what has happened earlier
Yeah.
for that person to say that particular statement, or on what grounds that person has quoted that particular
Correct.
statement, you know. So people do misjudge you, and they tend to hate you and all of that. And when I was out of that show, of course, it did affect me a lot, and I was like, this is not me, this is not what
Yeah.
I wanted, or this is not what I said, you know. That is a show where, you know, if girls are very vocal, you take any actor ka name, Rubina, Hina Khan, who has been very vocal
Yeah.
about things, opinionated, has an opinion about
Yeah,
things.
yeah.
इन सबकी बात लगी है यार शो
True,
के
that
अंदर.
is so true.
So I am no exceptional. Even Priyanka Chahar Chaudhary,
हाँ.
यार, मतलब when I got to know her personally, she's such a good girl. But there
Yeah.
have been episodes where she was being put on a pedestal, and I would feel so bad,
Yeah.
you know, in front of like 15 strangers. आपको एक अलग से बिठाया जाता है एक सिंहासन में, और आपकी वाट, आपकी
लगती
क्लास
है.
लिया जाता है.
You made sure that nothing comes beyond self respect. If अगर मुझे
Yeah,
respect नहीं कर
absolutely.
सकते आप, तो आप मेरा attention deserve नहीं करते हो. How much of strength did it require, because you were all alone, you didn't have any support system
I had
inside.
no one inside the house. When I went back, there was no one for me. मतलब मुंह पे सब ऐसे बोलते थे कि okay, I'm there, but basically there was actually no one. But yeah, it was very difficult. And you know, I am someone who always loves to give it a benefit of doubt. अगर आप मुझसे प्यार से आके बात करोगे ना, मतलब दो झगड़ा करने के बाद I'll be like, चल ठीक है यार, let bygones be bygones, it's okay, let's start from scratch. I think that was a drawback for me for that particular show, because every time somebody would just be nice to me and I'll be like, ठीक है छड्डो यार आगे बढ़ते. But ऐसा शायद नहीं करना चाहिए.
I was recently talking to Jasmine, and she was telling me that when she came to Bombay, a lot of people, वो casting couch वाला incident हुआ है, उनको लोगों ने पागल बनाने का try किया, but she was like, I was smart in that thing कि even though मैं भी नई बॉम्बे आई थी, but I could figure out what's going wrong. Did those experiences happen to you?
Casting couch experiences, yes, definitely. When it comes to South and all of that, definitely it did happen. But yeah, you just have to be smart enough. When you get that, अभी क्या हो जाता है ना, अभी when people say कि अच्छा ऑफिस में नहीं मिलते हैं, बाहर मिलते हैं, so you just get to know कि okay fine, something is fishy, just stay away from it and let's not get into it. मतलब अभी भी इतने सारे काम के emails आते हैं, but आपको पता चल जाता है कि कौन genuine है, कौन फर्जी है, and just people are doing time pass, you know. So you just stay out of it. एंड देर आर लॉट ऑफ एजेंसीज जो न्यू कमर्स को, मैं तो हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि भाई बहुत सारे लोग जब पूछते हैं कि यू नो कास्टिंग काउच वाले पैसे मांग रहे हैं कि 20,000 दे दो, 50,000 दे दो, आपको शो दे देंगे. ऐसे गलती से भी 1 रुपए मत देना. अगर आपको मिलने वाला है ना शो, तो मिलने वाला है. कास्टिंग काउच गाय इज नॉट गोना गेट यू अ शो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू पे हिम और हर मनी. सो या
For sure. But शुरू में when it happened, did it sort of scare you or break you, or you were like, no, this is not what I want to do?
No, that way I was very lucky. I'm not gonna lie, because I did Koi Aane Ko Hai with
Huh.
Ekta ma'am, and that time I was doing two projects in Calcutta, and that's when she happened to see one of my shows and she casted me.
Yeah.
And then immediately after that Uttaran happened, so I did not really have to go through that a lot, but yeah, I've heard a lot of incidents and people go through it, so yeah, it is kind of scary, but
Scary.
मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. And also मैं थोड़ा मोफट हूँ ना, मैं थोड़ा सा I don't know, I think I have that aura in me कि people think that oh my god, she's very snooty, she's very arrogant, बात नहीं करती है वाला zone. But no, I just have my guards up. I'm an
Yeah.
introvert, which is actually a blessing for me. I take time to open
Of
up, you know.
course.
I mean, if I'm not comfortable with you and if you don't make me feel comfortable, मैं ऐसे दिन भर बातें
बात
नहीं
नहीं कर
करूँगी, you know.
सकती.
मैं थोड़ा सा सहम जाती हूँ. I'm an introvert, मेरे को
Yeah.
टाइम लगता है open up होने में. So because I'm an introvert, people think that oh my god, she's arrogant, she's got a lot of attitude, या इसको देख के ही लगता है कि ये तो कुछ भी बोल देगी वाला zone. So लोग थोड़ा सा डरते हैं, which is actually a blessing
Good,
for me. Even
yeah.
Salman sir also said the same thing कि ठीक है, it's actually a win-win situation
Yeah.
for you.
I
Absolutely.
remember when you were a part of Uttaran, there used to be in these tabloid culture was very big that time. अभी भी है, but तब क्या होता था ना, actors बाहर आके बोल नहीं सकते थे कि
Yeah.
यार ये गलत है. बोलते भी थे तो उनके spokesperson एक line दे देंगे, वो news में आ जाएगा, वैसा रहता था. When news used to come, because तब मेरे को पता है वो रश्मि के साथ आपकी news आती थी that things are not well, and
Yeah.
I know for a matter of fact तभी भी I remember there was a वो सास बहू टाइप का इंटरव्यू होता था, तभी भी I think रश्मि ने भी आके क्लैरिफाई किया था ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Absolutely.
एंड अभी तो ऑफ कोर्स वी नो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बट तब इफेक्ट होता था क्योंकि आप रोज डील कर रहे हो उस पर्सन के साथ, एंड देन देयर इज न्यूज़ कि ओ ऑल इज नॉट वेल बिटवीन देम.
I think we used to laugh it out. And आप एक साथ में काम करोगे तो कभी ना कभी see even घर पे भी आपके
हाँ.
मॉम के साथ differences of opinion नहीं होते क्या?
Of course.
कभी मान लीजिए कोई सीन के लेके you know, probably just hypothetical example, I don't even remember, maybe she
हाँ.
would have said कि अच्छा ये लाइंस को इस तरह से करें, तो
हाँ.
मैं बोलूँगी नहीं, मेरे कैरेक्टर में ना ये जस्टिफाई नहीं होगा, इसको इस तरह से करते.
हैं.
और वहाँ पे अगर कोई मीडिया होंगे तो वो ऐसे पोर्ट्रे कर देंगे, oh they are not talking wherein we would have lunch
Yeah.
together, we would chill together, our moms are such good friends and everything. So
हाँ.
अभी भी you know people would ask the same question कि आपके और रश्मि के बीच में अनबन था and all of that. We would share the same makeup room, we would have food together, we would chill. I mean ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, अभी भी हम लोग सेम अपार्टमेंट्स में ही रहते हैं, मतलब सेम ही बिल्डिंग में रहते हैं. So we keep bumping into each other. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. We follow each other on social media.
Yeah.
You know, I would comment on her pictures. I would text her personally also कि रश्मि कितनी फैब लग रही है and this and that. I mean, क्या फर्क पड़ता है,
फर्क
क्या ही
पड़ता है,
जाता है यार.
That is true. You know, you mentioned body shaming, and I, as someone who's gone through it, I feel that body shaming is often linked to fat shaming.
Mhm.
But often people forget that even thin shaming or skinny shaming someone is as bad and as
Oh, yeah.
hurtful.
Absolutely.
Like, have you been through that part of shaming where people have sort of shamed you for the way you look, और नहीं आप thin हो या आप पतले हो, ये आपने face किया है कभी?
बहुत ज़्यादा, especially for my legs, and I've got skinny legs. So people would shame me for that. अरे chicken legs है, ये है, वो है, you need to put on and work out and this and that. You know, शुरू में बुरा लगता था, and I would just give in my 100%, gym जाना है, सिर्फ legs workout करती थी, this that. But then eventually over a period of time I realized that every body structure is different. No matter how much ever I put on, no
Yeah.
matter how much ever I work out, I'm never gonna put on from one particular body part of mine.
Exactly.
So then there was a point when I had given up and I was like, you know what, you wanna talk shit about it,
Yeah.
you talk shit about it, be my guest. And now I'm like, this is my body, I own it, I take the ownership, and I am happy exactly the way I am. Tomorrow if I put on weight or if I losing weight, it is my call, it is my body. I am healthy, I am fit, I am fine. Who are you to tell me anything?
Exactly.
Ki how should I be looking? I don't want to look for you the way
Yeah.
you want me to look, you know. I am not dressing up for you because you want me to see, you know, you want me to see in a particular get up or in a particular attire, you know. So I am going to do what I want to do, and this is my look, my body. So yeah, you do whatever you want to do, man.
So Tina, here we are at the Film
City, yeah.
I think बहुत ही ज़्यादा आपने time बिताया है यहाँ पे.
Absolutely. I've spent like 5.5 years, which is not a joke.
Yeah.
And वहाँ पे मेरा set हुआ करता था, जो कि आपको ये blue जगह दिख रहा है. अभी I don't know, they have covered the entire thing कि पहचान में नहीं आ रहा है. And जब the day Uttaran went off air, this used to be such a lucky set, believe me you. सबको बस ये सेट चाहिए था एंड एवरीबडी वांटेड टू रेंट आउट दिस ग्राउंड, यू नो, मतलब इनका तो रेंट बेसिस पे होता है, एंड एवरीबडी वाज लाइक सेट भी मत तोड़ो, वी जस्ट वांट टू रेंट इट आउट, हमको बस ये जगह चाहिए. इट वाज ऑन हाई डिमांड एंड आई डोंट रिमेंबर, बट आई थिंक उसके बाद जो भी 2 शोज आए थे, इट वाज आल्सो सुपर हिट. एक स्टार के लिए कुछ तो आया था एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. So yeah, I really miss this place. This also used to be another set of mine actually. हमारे 2 सेट हुआ करते थे क्योंकि इतने बड़े परिवार होते थे ना. तो जब सृजिता की शादी हो गई थी तब ये वाले ऐसे सेट पे हम शूट करते थे. नाउ एवरीथिंग हैज चेंज. मतलब फिल्म सिटी लुक्स सो डिफरेंट, बट I don't know, Film City will always be very close to my heart, and if given an opportunity, I would love to come back and do another show in Film City. You know, अभी भी ऐसा लगता है कि I wish I could relive उत्तरायण days, and I wish कि कुछ नहीं तो 1 महीने के लिए बस मोहलत मिल जाता with the same unit, same production, same actor, the same crew, कि फिर से एक बार शूट करने को मिल जाए, है ना? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. All my fans, they have spoken to the channel and everyone. Now Nandish is also in a different league. He's doing back-to-back web series. I'm so happy for him and proud of him. He's doing so well for himself. So I don't think so. He will also be keen on being a part. I don't know. I mean, I'm the wrong person to quote. Maybe he will be. But yeah, I mean, things are different. But I would love to be a part of Uttaran too.
Trio will always be iconic.
Yeah, man, मैं नंदिश रश्मि मज़ा आ जाता अगर एक और शो ऐसे बन जाता तो. And trust me, मैं लिख के दे सकती हूँ वो सुपर हिट ही होता. But again, I think it's iconic.
You know how they say don't touch classics.
Yeah.
I feel that way.
Yeah.
But I feel if you are touching that, no, don't change the cast.
Yeah.
Because people will only come back for you
Relate,
guys.
yeah.
And they will only
worldwide
want to watch.
it's still famous.
Yeah.
मतलब people just keep on watching it again and again and again.
And during
so
COVID, a lot of people started
Yeah,
watching the
yeah,
reruns
yeah,
and again
yeah.
on YouTube. And I was
अभी
like,
भी तमिल
wow.
में, जॉर्जिया में, मतलब name the countries, and I think Uttaran has been run in all the countries. So yeah, it's fun.
But you know, y'all are the last sort of those league of actors जिन्होंने ना बहुत मेहनत की है सेट्स पे. मुझे याद है स्टोरीज, आप लोग सेट्स पे सो जाते थे कभी
Yeah,
कभी,
yeah.
वहीं खाना नहाना पीना घर
Absolutely,
बना
सब
लेते थे.
कुछ.
How was that phase like?
It was fun. It was fun. I mean, I genuinely miss those days. Of
हाँ.
course, hectic होता था. थक जाते थे, घर वालों को मिस करते थे, यू नो. तभी महीने में 30 दिन नहीं काम करते थे, ऐसा लगता था महीने में 40-50 दिन भी काम करते थे, छुट्टी नहीं होता था. बट इट वॉज अ डिफरेंट लीग ऑल टुगेदर, यू नो. अभी ऐसा नहीं मिलता है मौका. मतलब व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग दिस शो, कल हम रहे ना रहे हम, द प्रोडक्शन हाउस वाज सो ऑन पॉइंट एंड ही वाज सो गुड विथ एवरीथिंग कि हमारा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो साइन हुआ था कि महीने में 22 से 25 दिन काम करेंगे, बट वी यूज्ड टू शूट फॉर लाइक 15 days a month. So then you feel like, okay, what am I gonna do for the next 15 days, you know? I just need 5 days का छुट्टी. I am a workaholic. I love to work. Like, you ask me to work every day of my life and I'll be more than happy and elated and very very joyful कि हाँ, हम सुबह उठ के I have something to look forward to कि 7 बजे निकलो घर से, काम पे जाओ and all of that. But yeah, I miss all of that. You know, if you're doing a movie, it's a project for like 30 days, 40 days. Even if you're doing a web series, it's a project for like 30-40 days. But serial is serial, you know. It just keeps you busy for the next. If it does really well, then for the next 2-3 years, you're like sorted. You're working, you're happy. So I love being a part of Daily
But
Soap.
we would love to see you more in web shows and serials and films.
Yes,
whatever,
I mean.
yes, whatever makes you happy, whatever takes the craft, the artist brings it out,
Yeah.
because we know that you are fab at what you do. But thank you so much for getting us also
Thank
to
you.
Film City.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Yes.
Thank you.
This is something I think people should learn from you, that kindness is cool and we should all be
Yeah,
kind to each other.
absolutely.
Even when you are having a bad day,
Yeah.
don't make other people have a bad
Correct,
day as
correct.
well.
You know, so
that is it.
sometimes कोई ना कोई, मान लीजिए मेरा कोई स्टाफ भी हो,
हाँ.
you know, I'm having a bad day and would just snap back at me and
हाँ.
I would be like, भैया सबकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम होता है.
Problems
जस्ट
है.
बिकॉज आपकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम है, यू कांट
Exactly.
मिसबिहेव एंड यू कांट बी रूड एंड यू
Rude,
कांट बी
yeah.
स्नैपी, यू नो. ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है, मेरा भी कुछ का कुछ ना
है.
कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो ही सकता है, यू नो. But just because I am PMSing or I am having a bad time doesn't mean that I'll snap at you.
Ruin your
Hey,
day,
what
yeah.
yaar, you can't do this, you can't do that. I mean, no yaar, it's okay, it's just my problem. I have to deal with it. You got nothing to do with it,
Exactly.
you know. And just being rude to you is
Yeah.
not going to solve my purpose, you know. And it's
I'm
not going to
sure.
make me feel better. Rather, I'm making you feel worse.
Exactly.
So why would I even do that?
But thank you so much, Sheena, for joining
Thank
Drive
you.
Through. It was such a good conversation. I will send
Same.
you once it's out, but I am
Done.
myself very excited to for the world to see this, because this got a very nice human side to you, which
Thank
we knew
you.
always existed.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
being a part.
Thank you for
so
being
much.
so kind and nice.
Yes,
And
thank you.
God bless you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hola! Your dream vacation to Dubai starts from rupees 29,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.